Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 7. I have now officially been vlogging for a week and I am proud of myself because I did not think I would last this long, honestly. But in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Biolage Color Balm Color Depositing Conditioner in the color Saffron Red. It looks like this. And on the back it says, conditioner with color deposit. Saffron Red provides copper tones with light brown and warm red bases. Depending on the level and porosity of your hair, Saffron Red Balm may have increased the color uptake and could have long-lasting results. And then it says consult your hairdresser, but I don't have one of those, so I'm not going to do that. Directions: refresh your color. Apply to washed and towel dried hair. Using gloves, spread using a comb or your fingers. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the desired intensity. Rinse and finish with conditioner if necessary. Use up to once per week. And then it has some like caution things that you can look into if you're going to try this out. So it looks promising. I've only seen one video on YouTube of someone using this, and it was the company, Biolage company. So, of course, instead of trying out a color conditioner that several people have tried and know works, I'm gonna try one that there are no reviews on because, you know, someone's gotta try it. I tried the Creds and let you guys know, so we're gonna try this one out and see how it goes. I got it from Walmart on their website. I think it was like 20 bucks, so it wasn't too bad compared to, I guess it's like comparable. I've seen some pretty expensive ones that were like between $30 and $40, but this one was, I think it was like $20, maybe $22. But we're gonna try it out. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it on there for 10 minutes because the last time I did that, it didn't turn out so great for me when I used the Creds. I'll link that video above if you have not seen that one. So I might just do like 5 minutes because I'm scared. And if it turns out good, it says you can use it once per week. So if the 5 isn't as intense, then I can, you know, do it longer. I only wash my hair once a week and it's been 7 days since I washed my hair and it is time. So this is what my color is looking like right now. This bathroom lighting doesn't do it justice. I might can insert some photos so you can see it like in the sun. But let's wash this hair and I'll be back to show you how I apply it. Okay, my hair is washed and I'm nervous because the last time I used the color conditioner did not turn out well, so I'm kind of nervous, but let's just see what happens. Okay, so I got my gloves. I shampooed my hair 3 times. That's how I think I can get away with only washing my hair once a week, is because when I do wash it, I shampoo it 3 to 4 times, like really scrubbing it in there, like wash the top part, the middle part, the lower, and then just get all of it. It makes my hair really clean. Okay, so here we go. Here's nothing. Relax. I'm scared. The ends are really where I want to focus this because I feel like my ends always fade a lot quicker than the top. I think I'm gonna do like one more little squirt on this side and be done. It's very hard to tell. It smells really good. If you've ever smelled any of the Biolage stuff, like their shampoo and stuff, this stuff smells exactly like that. Very good. Okay, let's do this next side. It looks like friggin' hot sauce. 5 minutes and rinse it off. Wish me luck. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking wet right now. I will say that it's looking promising compared to the previous one I tried. Whenever I rinsed that one out, it was like bright red, like in the bathtub, and this one was like an orange color. So just from it like being wet and looking at it, it looks like it is gonna be more vibrant, which is the point. That's kind of what you want. Like after you've washed your hair 5 times, your hair color starts to fade and look dull, and this makes it look vibrant. So if it looks this good wet, I'm really hoping that once it's dry, it'll look even better. So after I dry and style it, I'll come back and update y'all on how it looks. Okay, I wanted to show you the final results of my hair after using the color conditioner, and I think it turned out really, really good. The thing that makes me wonder if it would have turned out like really bright red, because there are some like, it's like pretty vibrant, but I only did it for the 5 minutes instead of 10. When I used the other stuff, I did it for the full 10, and my hair came out like bright red. And this is like very, like there are definitely like brown tones in it as well as like red tones, but it turned out really pretty. So I would say I would recommend this product if you had similar color hair that I had beforehand. I would definitely recommend it over the other one that I tried. So I like it a lot. I'll try it out some more. I should probably try it out more before I fully say I would recommend it, but it turned out good for me for this first time. So yeah, I think it looks good. I'm happy with it. And I'd probably only do it for 5 minutes again because it's pretty vibrant. And I just don't know if I left it on longer, if it would be like really, really red. But I'm happy with this color. So